Hello, today we will guide you through how to auto-post Instagram Reels using Make.com. In this walkthrough, we'll use one of Make.com's ready-made templates to quickly set up an automation for posting Instagram Reels. If you want a faster starting point instead of building everything from scratch, this is a simple and practical way to begin. Start by opening Make.com and going to your dashboard. This is the main workspace where you can access automations, templates, and tools for building workflows. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Templates. The Templates section is especially useful when you already know what kind of automation you want, because it helps you find pre-built setups created for common use cases. After the Templates page opens, go to the search area and type Instagram. This will narrow the results so you can focus only on automations related to Instagram. Since Make connects with a variety of apps and services, searching helps cut through the noise and gets you to the right category much faster. Next, click on Instagram for Business using Facebook Login. This is the correct option for Instagram business-related automations inside Make. Choosing the right app connection here is important because Instagram business posting features are handled through this specific integration. If you're planning to automate Reels, make sure you're selecting the business version rather than a different Instagram-related result. Once you're on that page, scroll down through the available template options. There may be several automations listed, so take a moment to look carefully. Scrolling helps you find the exact pre-built workflow you need instead of opening a template that's only partially related. When you see the template called Create a new Instagram Reel post for every new row in Google Sheets, click on it. This is the template you'll use for setting up the automation. As the name suggests, it's designed to watch for new rows added to a Google Sheet and then create an Instagram Reel post based on that information. That makes it useful if you want to organize your posting plan in a spreadsheet and let the automation handle the publishing workflow. At this point, you've successfully found the correct Make.com template for auto-posting Instagram Reels. From here, you can move on to configuring the template based on your sheet and Instagram business account. As a quick tip, always double-check that you've opened the exact template title before continuing, since similar templates may appear in the results. That's it for this part of the process.